to Chateau de Lalande's Advent Calendar vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video.
I've woken up in Paris today. I arrived here from Finland yesterday, but there's some bad news because I was supposed to be meeting Michael here and we were going to do a vlog about Christmas food in France, but he can't make it because of the horrible French strikes. So he is stranded at the Chateau de la Baminière, and I am here with Mason's sister, so the two of us will go and find delicious food to take back to Lalande for Christmas, and at the same time I can show you what the French like to eat this time of year. And also, before I get up and go out, I have to show you this bedroom. It's pretty crazy, but I love it. This is what I've woken up to. I'm swathed in leopard print with blue trim. It's a bold choice, but bizarrely, it works. Our first stop is at Popolini. They make the best choux buns in Paris.
Some choux pastries.
Absolutely.
They're amazing.
All right, let's go in.
The shop is named after Catherine de Medici's Italian pastry chef who invented choux pastries filled with cream, which became her favourite dessert. They make them in so many flavours that I have no idea which to choose. I followed her advice and chose salted caramel.
I think it's important to be eating food on the way to buying food, because then I won't be too hungry and I won't buy everything I see. That's my justification. That is salted caramel cream. It's amazing. Welcome to Maison Cuisson.
Oh my goodness, I've spotted some truffles, easily one of my favourite delicacies. And I don't mean chocolate truffles, I mean real truffles. They're a fungus that grow at the roots of certain trees, especially oaks. As they often grow beneath the soil, trained dogs or pigs are used to find them. They've been highly prized for millennia. They've been mentioned in ancient Sumerian texts dating from about 1700 BC, and the ancient Egyptians used to eat them as a delicacy smeared in goose fat. They only grow in very particular conditions, so it's almost impossible to cultivate them. Even King Louis XIV tried and failed, and because of that, they're very rare, so very valuable. The most highly prized white truffles can cost over $2,000 a kilo. They have an indescribably powerful and captivating scent. The composer Rossini called truffles the Mozart of fungi, and Lord Byron even kept one on his desk because he claimed that the perfume helped his inspiration. I want to include truffles in my Christmas menu because they're seasonal and because they're extravagant, and that fits well with Christmas. Sadly, my budget doesn't stretch to actually buying truffles, so instead I'm going to try and find some truffle cheese. My area of France is famous for goat's cheese like these, so I'll easily be able to buy these back at home, but I can't buy truffle cheeses there, so I have to do that in a specialty shop like this.
Basically, almost all of these cheeses we can get in the most incredible cheese shop near us that we'll go to before Christmas, but they don't have truffle cheeses. So here there's a few different cheeses with truffle, and I'm obsessed with truffle at the moment. Oh, which one to get? Look at the layers of truffle in this one. And there's a brie like that too. Look at that truffle.
Luckily, the man in charge of cheeses in this wonderful delicatessen is here and has offered to help me in my search for the perfect truffle cheese selection.
Lovely man is explaining all the different truffle cheeses that they have. He's going to let us have a taste and see which ones we like. So this one's Chega. Oh la la! That's the Brie à Savarin. Oui. Brie à Savarin with truffle in.
Brie à Savarin is a triple cream soft cheese that is named after the famous 18th century French gourmet Jean-Anthelme Brie à Savarin. And it's fitting that truffles have been added to this one because he called truffles the diamond of the kitchen and said that they were so expensive they appeared only at the dinner table of great nobles and kept women. It's divine! And now we're going to try a truffled manchego.
I've never seen truffle manchego before.
T'as goûté aussi.
This is a
T'as
first.
goûté.
Here, have some, Ashley. It's the videographer's treat.
Ashley, you like it?
That's delicious. I love manchego.
It's so salty, I love that. Truffle gouda next. This I've had before. The others are new to me. What do you think?
T'as goûté le brie aussi?
J'adorerais.
J'adorerais, merci. Comment voulez-vous que je repousse ça?
Is this the brie?
This is the brie. Look at the bits of truffle in that. You have to try that one.
Is this your favorite now?
I love this one. It's super creamy. Favorite's a strong word because
Favorite
I'm
is a
loving
strong word
all of
because the
them.
manchego was fantastic.
Then you didn't try the first one. It's I think we should get the little version of the first one and the manchego and the brie. How does that sound? Oh, and the truffle butter.
Okay.
Imagine seeing that spread on Christmas Day.
I mean, it's actually heaven looking at that.
What a lovely sight.
Now I think we just need truffle oil as well, don't you? We can't stop now in our explosion of truffle. Oh my goodness. It was meant to be. Here we have truffle oil. All of the oils are insanely wonderful, but I'm not going for the incredible things like nut oils because our region's quite famous for these. We can get these back at home. So again, I'm going to stick with my truffle day and I'm going to go for the organic white truffle oil.
Saucisson is very important in France and is eaten throughout the year.
This is liver sausage, dried liver sausage. I know it doesn't sound right. I love this stuff. But I found more truffle products. Merci beaucoup. There's one for you, Ashley.
Elle est un petit peu moins sympathique que le fromager, elle est gentille.
Je suis meilleure que toi. Michael would be so happy if he were here to see all of these pot-au-feu à cuire. These are ready to stew for a long time. The vegetables have been rolled inside the meat. And look, pork stuffed with prunes and pistachios. Oh, these all look so good. Oh, I wish it was Christmas today. Do you know what that is?
I think it's a whole chicken.
It's a turkey. That is not an American-sized turkey. I did it one year. I actually ordered a turkey in France for Christmas, and I said,
Thinking that it was-
it's for 10 people. We'll need a huge bird, and it was that size. It was actually the same size as that one.
And were you lucky enough to get the feet and the head on it as well?
No. My butcher had dealt with the feet and the head for me beforehand.
It's not every day you see bergamot for sale. All of the citrus fruits look so delicious. I wish I could just take everything home.
Now, to be fair, this might not be the shop where I'll be getting the wines, because having blown the entire Christmas budget on truffles, these are just a touch out of my price range.
One of my favorite rosés.
Yes.
Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt used to own a huge chateau in France, and they made this rosé. And it's a lot cheaper
You're
here.
teaching me about wine. I did not know that. So this is Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt's rosé from back when they were still talking. Ah, the wine has outlasted the wedding.
Exactly. A little lunchtime, I think. We have the cheese, and we just need a little bit of bread. Nothing else.
Of course, no French Christmas is complete without some champagne.
So Ashley, have you got a spare 500 euros for the bottle of Dom Pérignon?
I can't believe they actually sell something that costs that much.
I think we need this gin. 2 reasons. 1, I have never had French gin before. 2, I love the bottle. And I'll get to keep the bottle once we've drank the gin. So that's coming for Christmas. Right, so there's truffle butter, many truffle cheeses, truffle saucisson, and gin. Do you think Christmas is sorted?
Sorted.
Christmas! Let's get this back to Lalande. I'm going to fill my little box with all the truffle cheeses. So fun. That's the saucisse. Michael Potts is going to go crazy. He's a huge fan of truffle. It's his favourite thing in the world. And he's arriving tonight at La Lande, so we'll be able to show him that we went crazy in Maison Clisson. There. Truffle selection for Christmas. Would you like to eat something? I'm going for the eggs with truffle, obviously, to carry on the theme.
Truffled eggs. Well, my day is complete.
Even the sun has come out for us.
Cheers to Paris.
I can't believe the weather in Paris in December. I couldn't not have truffle for lunch after buying all those wonderful truffle things.